everybody should be very careful. The video why I want play now be say Nigerian soldiers and, and Fulani herdsmen has connived to bombard every part of Biafra land. So everybody should be very careful and protect yourself. If you have opportunity to travel outside this country, you have to do it now. Because by next week or next 2 weeks, all parts of Biafra land will be bombarded. If you have money in your bank account, you should go and withdraw it. Try and withdraw all the money in your bank account. Nigerian soldiers at connived with Britain and Fulani foot soldiers from all parts of Africa to bombard all parts of Biafra land. Everybody should be very careful these days because they are going around. They have laid siege all parts of Igbo land. Every part of Igbo land is under siege. They are in Biafra land. They are in Biafra land. That is what this clip I want to play now is talking about. It is recorded in Igbo language. So that's why I'm trying to overshare it. I'm trying to interpret what is in this clip. So everybody should be careful, listen attentively. Try and share this video. Let it go viral to protect lives. Try and protect yourself any way you can. Starvation is the greatest weapon Nigerian soldiers used against us. Nigeria and Britain and Gowon used against us during the war. So everybody should be very careful these days. Try and protect yourself. Withdraw the money in your bank account. Try and protect yourself in which other way you can. Self-defense is not a crime. You have to defend yourself. When government fails to defend you, what you need to do is defend yourself. My brothers and sisters, this video clip, wetin e talk, I no fit talk am at all. I no fit talk am at all. By now, before in all our bushes, Nigerian soldiers and Fulani herdsmen are in all our bushes, in all the bushes in Biafra land. They are all camped in all the bushes in Biafra land. You need to change your phone number these days. Change your phone number. Change your phone number. Let only your family members have your phone number. Because Nigerian soldiers are doing everything possible to bring down the people of Biafra. So the people of Biafra are crying to all countries of the world to come to their help. For Nigerian soldiers have built their own bomb to bombard all parts of Biafra land. They are coming, all Fulani foot soldiers are now in Biafra land. So everybody should be very careful. Stop moving about, stop moving around. They are among you. They are among you. If they have laid siege your land, they want to take your land, Biafra land. Biafran people should be very careful these days. Before next 2 weeks, there will be war in this Biafra land. That is what this video clip are talking about. Try and listen to this video clip and try to share it. Let it go viral to protect lives.
Broadcast from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because Ogunebido na Biafra in 2 weeks time. Now you want to advise them onye malụ nke ọhịa enweta shelter jezu onwe ya jezu okwu onwe ya Ogbunigwe na after street in that 2 weeks time I block all the borders of Biafra as na ndị ilo abataga anyị ime and nabaghị hit Anambra first nabachi Igala wee na-abata and bachikwa Ebonyi steeti na-abata nwere ọpụta nke ọzọ gbọlara so na ọgụ ya ebido na Biafra by in 2 weeks time and that 2 weeks time ka onye ọbụla wee du njikere onwe onye chọrọ efu nwe nke ọ na-eje ojebe ndị na-eti isi na Ghana or Togo eti ebi isi n'other 2 weeks time to prepare yourself malite shelter ị ga-enye onwe ọ bụ na ị na-arafu obodo ịrafu and ọ gwago all the soldiers all the ndị niile ụmụ okolobịa na-agha anụ ọgụ for Biafra onye ọbụla baa bush now change their phone number. Only their family will have their number. So get this broadcast enter. Send there because the mother get this broadcast enter. So all we as the American intel that's na the Fulani na abago ana Yoruba ni kili ba hit ku Yoruba and na abago who east na abago ku anyu kili and now from Somalia case we do tebe as no have Al-Shabaab one terrorist organization na Somalia all you we do bete na we bia no so ka edi stay ntị ịmara ihe ị ga-eme